Hi there, this is a Dawes Super Galaxy, about 1988 I believe. Picked it up last night, and although it seems to be pretty original, it's in a hell of a state. Very grubby and rusty. There's the original gear set, Shimano Dior, and bi-pace chain wheel there. The cantilever brakes, very nice, allowing some pretty chunky tyres to be fitted if needed. I think they're MT60s. The beautiful Reynolds 531 tubing for the frame there. Nice shifters there, Shimano shifters. If you actually look at the name tag there from where it's bought originally, that's in my hometown, and now unfortunately closed. Chesil Cycles. And there is Shimano T100 pedals, very nice too, lovely. The forks also 531. And then coming on to the cockpit, we've got 105 brake levers, original Dawes handlebars, handmade in England, very proud of that obviously, and I think 3T stem, which is a beautiful thing and will look very nice all polished up. So there it is. It's going to need some work on the frame especially, and a lot of cleaning up, but should make a really nice bike.